Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Windows Security and heading straight to Virus and Threat Protection. This gets you to the controls. First, update the definitions so Defender knows the latest threats, because outdated definitions miss active malware. Once updated, run a quick scan to surface obvious infections quickly. It's fast and narrows the problem. If the machine is on a shared network, disconnect now to stop lateral movement while you investigate and keep any removable drives unplugged until scanning completes. Now you escalate the cleanup. Choose a full scan or run Microsoft Defender offline if you suspect stealthy rootkits, because offline scans catch threats that hide during normal operation. After the scan finishes, inspect quarantined items and the detailed results to see file names, paths, and recommended actions. That tells you whether items are removed or held. Also check Event Viewer and Defender logs to understand behavior patterns and timestamps, which helps you decide if further manual removal or rollback is needed. Finish by removing confirmed threats and only restore files you are absolutely sure are false positives. Restoring unknown files reintroduces risk. Once removal is done, run System File Checker using sfc/scano and dism to repair corrupted system files, because infections often damage Windows components. After repairs, reboot, fully update Windows and definitions, then run another full scan to confirm the system is clean. If scans keep finding the same item, boot to safe mode or Defender offline and retry. Persistent detections may require specialized removal tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.